Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is stir-fried tomato beef. I'm using about 1 pound of beef flapped meat. To produce a tender meat result, I am going to cut it against the grain. How to identify the direction of the grain running? Look for the parallel lines and then cut perpendicular to that line, just like that. I'm going to slice it around 45-degree angle. It is not so thin or not so thick. Prepare 3/4 cup of green onion cut into 1 inch in length. I'm using 6 tomatoes and cut them into long wedges, just like that. Give it a good wash and remove seed as much as you can. Dry them on a colander. Now I'm going to prepare my sauce using strawberry guava jam. About 2 tablespoons. I'm using about a thumb-sized ginger. Grate 1 tablespoon of ginger. You can leave the skin on or you can take it off, it's all up to you. If you leave the skin on, just make sure you give it a good wash. I like to keep the skin on as it gives me more nutritional value and more gingery flavor. Grate 2 cloves of garlic and add into the sauce. Now add 1 tablespoon of Shao Hsing Rice cooking wine. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce or ketchup and give it a good mix. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 2 teaspoons of light brown sugar. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of sesame seed. Now I'm going to marinate my meat with 2 teaspoons of light brown sugar. Add in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Add in 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. Add in 2 teaspoons of Shao Hsing Rice cooking wine. Add in 1 teaspoon of potato starch. Give the meat a good mix. I like to use my hands as I think this is the best way for all my ingredients to absorb into the meat. Those are leftover pieces of garlic and ginger from my grater. I left them in there to flavor my oil when I deep fry the meat. Heat is at 350 Fahrenheit. Throw in the meat, deep fry for 30 seconds and take the meat out. On a new saucepan, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in the first batch of pre-cut green onions. Add in tomatoes. Give it a good toss. This process takes about a minute or so. Now add in my special sauce. It only gets better from here. The fruity flavor from strawberry and guava jam infused in cooking oil smells amazing. Now quickly add in deep fried beef and stir fry until it's cooked perfectly. Keep in mind this is not chicken, this is beef, so you just want to make sure it is cooked just right. You don't want to overcook the beef. So how do you like it so far? Looks great, right? Give it a try. That's it for this recipe. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment below. Now add the rest of the green onion into the saucepan and quickly stir it around. You can serve this tomato beef over rice. Thank you so much for your support and time. Until then, take care. Bye now.